China has done it to us again. First it was COVID, now it's Jalapeño Gate. Let's talk about it. This video is an update to Jalapeño Gate, which we posted 2 days ago, so if you haven't watched that, go check it out. And actually, it sounds like we need to rename this to Peppergate instead of Jalapeño Gate because it affected a lot more than jalapenos. I was privy to some insider information that actually tracked down the source of the error that led to so many pepper plants being mislabeled here in the US. There's a company called Seeds by Design who apparently brokers a lot of seed for a bunch of different companies, and they source their seeds from all over and then distribute them to different companies here in the US. And one of the places that they source seeds from is China. Yeah, vegetable seeds. Your vegetable seeds that you buy here in the US, a lot of them are sourced in China. This farm in China has identified 4 different batches of 4 different types of plants that got mixed up and spread all throughout the United States. And they're as follows. If you purchased purple beauty peppers, it might actually be Hungarian hot wax. Chocolate beauty is actually red cherry sweet peppers. Hungarian sweet wax peppers are actually a bell pepper variety called diamond. And then jalapenos got mixed up with golden jalapenos. And because these were such large batches of seeds that got distributed to multiple different US companies, which then got distributed to different greenhouse growers, this is a very widespread problem. But this leads me to a bigger question. Why the crap are we purchasing pepper seeds and vegetable seeds from China to grow here in the US? Here in the US, we are perfectly capable of growing our own vegetable seeds, yet this is just another thing that we have outsourced overseas where there's far less regulations and a much lower labor cost. And this is really making me question a lot of things. First of all, if you're purchasing organic seeds, if those were originated from China, China does not have to follow the USDA standards for organic growing practices. So are those seeds you purchased truly organic? That'd be something to look into. Plus, this is just another way that a country that is adversarial to us could put the squeeze to us in the future if they ever decided to. Maybe this is something that we need to take a much closer look at. If any of you out there are good investigators and could put a good eyeball to this and figure out how much are we actually getting from China and what percentage does that make up of the seed source for the United States, that would be something really interesting to know.